Hi, this is Suzanne Hill. I'm your instructor for English 102, Section 900. This is the Blackboard site where all the activity will take place for this class. It's a fully online class. You land on the announcements page. I encourage you to go to the Start Here button and read more information for details about the class. On the Syllabus and Schedule button, you can get a copy of the syllabus available through this link here, and the schedule, the weekly schedule, available through this link here. And the weekly folders is where the activity takes place each week. So for week 1, click on week 1. You will see there are 3 parts here: the discussion forum, the reading quiz, and the first writing assignment. A reading quiz is due each week, generally by Tuesday. And then we take part in the discussion, generally Wednesday through Saturday. This is flexible. And the writing assignment for week 1, you do not need the first book in order to complete it, but each English 102 student should complete this first writing assignment. It's available through this link right here. If you click on it, the assignment will open in a Word doc. So let's take a look at the week 1 forum. If you click on Thread, you will get the threads in a numeric order, and each of the threads will have commentary, lecture material, questions, and for you to answer or to partake in the discussion, just hit reply and post your message. And again, you can go through each of these threads and read the material for that week. It's almost like the lecture material for a face-to-face class, so this is an important part of our class each week. And the point is to discuss with your classmates and from prompts from me to discuss the reading material for that week. The other buttons that are available is essays. Each of the essays has a description available here. If you click on the link, you will see the doc for the description of that essay, and also a handout on what is meant by tone and errors to look for in the logic in your writing. So I look forward to spending this semester with you. If you have questions, you can email me. My instructor information is available right here. Here's my email address. So have a good semester.